This feels like living inside a dream. I know now that I am lost in Necropolis. Lost in Necropolis. Lost in Necropolis. Lost in Necropolis. I have seen your cities burning. I have felt your daughters yearning for the peace you had before the tides of war. I have witnessed Europeans burning bright with man's desire. I will fight the demon horde forevermore. Mysteries that men have never seen before. Magic lives in all dynasties. The light of love shines evermore in the crypts of Atlantean kings. I found what I was looking for. Magic right in evolution's seed. I know it's like living inside a dream.